guys, it's Emmy. Welcome to Vlogmas 2020 day 4. I'm sorry if you can hear that in the background. I really hope you can't, but if you can, I'm really sorry. It's my washing machine. The spin is like, it sounds like a jet about to take off. So it is actually currently 4:30 in the afternoon, or might as well be evening because it's like jet black outside. But yeah, I haven't been able to vlog much today. This morning we were up really early getting loads of stuff done, doing loads of errands, and then I had to go work at 12:30, so haven't really had the opportunity to vlog much today. But Elliot's just gone, or I say just gone to work, he went to work a little while ago. So I don't know, maybe I'll show you what I make for dinner and stuff. I'm just doing like a basic pasta, nothing crazy, but I just thought I'd show you. I'm on my break at the moment, so just chilling. I've cracked open my Christmas candle. Here's a Yankee candle. This is mandarin and cranberry. It's really good. It smells very Christmassy, but not like heavy. Sometimes the cinnamony smell can get kind of like sensitive on my nose, but this is just kind of like fruity and fresh. It's great. I love it. Since I haven't really got much to do and show you, I thought I'd show you the delivery that I got today. Literally the only thing I bought on Black Friday, let me just push it back a tiny bit, there we go, was some bits of glossier because I needed to replenish my boy brow, and I also needed a hand cream, and they had some sets on it, like they had like 25% off everything, plus their like sets that are already like discounted anyway, so I just thought I'd just get a couple bits. So yeah, I've got it here, just came today. I love how they always come in these little like parcels because they're so useful. I use them for like travel and stuff, to put like bits and bobs in, toiletries, or like you could use them for like your they're like waterproof, so you could use them for like your swimming cozy or like underwear and stuff. So first of all, I've got my boy brow. Where is it? Let me just take it all out and then I'll show you. Boy brow in brown, just a new one. It's my fave, and I'm literally down to the last little bit. I think I got mine last year at Black Friday, so I think it's lasted me exactly a year, which is great. But yeah, just got a new one of that. They had a gift set for, it was their hand cream, their Glossier hand cream. Of course, it's Glossier, you know, I always have that. Their hand cream, and then, oh, it's selling down now, thank God. Their balm.com, which I love these. I've been wanting to try the birthday cake ones, so I got one of those. So let's just open it up. I love the paper packaging. I've heard good things about their hand cream, but a lot of people say it's very like expensive for what it is. But these two, I believe, came to £14, which is really good. But look how cute! It comes like this little case. I hope at some point they'll make like little refills or something, because that would be really cool. But yeah, it's just like a bit squidgy there. I don't know what it smells like. Let me pull it back out. Oh, it kind of smells kind of a bit woody, maybe. A little bit floral. Really nice. Oh, very soft. Yeah, that's a nice hand cream. I just love the case as well. It's gorgeous. Kind of comes out like, I don't know if you can see, it's like a slit as opposed to like a little dot, which is weird. I don't know how long that's going to last me, but I needed a hand cream and I thought I'd get it. And the packaging's so cute. Yeah, I hope maybe one day they do like, can this pop out? I don't know. I don't know, like a refill or something. That'd be really cool. Oh, my nose is itchy. Then I got birthdaycakebalm.com, which comes like the holographic packaging. How cute. It smells insane. Oh, I can't smell it there. Oh god, that's so good. Let me pop a little bit on. I think this one's got like a bit of shimmer to it. I'm gonna sneeze. I'm smelling too many things at once. I'm gonna sneeze. Oh my god, why can't the only thing with like balm.com is that it's really thick, so if it's not warm, it's so hard to get out of the tube. I think it's because my hand creams. There we go, got it. I found the little sweet spot. Let's put a little bit on. Oh yeah, it's a very subtle sparkle. Don't know if you can kind of see that. Oh, that smells and tastes so good. Yeah, it's super subtle, which I like because I wouldn't want like big chunks of glitter, but I like that there's a little bit of something there. So good. These are really nice. I like them as like my topper to like my Aquaphor. If my lips are chapped, I'll use Aquaphor to kind of like actually like hydrate it, and then I put these on to kind of give like a nice smoothie balm feel. Cool. And then I got their set of 3 lip glosses. I've been wanting to try their lip gloss for ages, and had a set of their 3. So it had the original clear one, red, and then the holographic. And they sent me all 3, but they also sent me an extra holographic. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but I'll find something for it. So yeah, let's have a look at the original because I'm really excited about that one. It looks so satisfying. Look at it. Oh, I love things that look kind of like clear with like a tint of pink. It's such a satisfying effect, and I love the look of the wand. Let's have these bloody hand cream hands. No. Oh god. Elliot, why aren't you here to open this for me? Oh my god, is this for real? Is this real life? There we go, got it. Yeah, I did just put that in my mouth to try and open it. Oh, that's satisfying. Touch my nose. Doesn't really smell like anything. Put that on. Oh, that's smooth. No drag, completely smooth. That's a great gloss. Look at that. And that's so comfy. That's so comfy. Everyone's always like, it's the best gloss ever. And it's like, okay, but it's a clear gloss. How good can it be? That's good. Put my light on. Oh gosh, there you go. You can see me now. Ooh, yeah, look at that shine. Ooh, yeah, love it. Love it. Let's try the other scents. Other colours. Let's try the holographic one next. Oh, God. Is this going to be hard to open? Oh no, that one's easy. Ooh, look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Bloody gorgeous. I love that applicator. It puts enough on there. I like that. I like that it's not like too pinky of a shimmer. It's not too green or too blue. It's just a true shimmer. Ooh, yeah. Again, so comfy. It feels like a lip balm. That's great. That's great, that is. Oof. Yes, please. Right. My lips are so small. I need all the plumping gloss I can get. It's not plumping, but like things to make me look juicy. It doesn't leave your lips feeling sticky either. It's quite just like balmy. And then finally the red, which is kind of like an orangey red. I thought it was going to be a bit more deep. Oh, this one's difficult. Come on. Come on! I'm not even going to edit this out. Oh my god. Is this for real? Come on! I don't want to actually bite the thing. Oh shit. Sorry about the noises. I can't open. What the hell? Oh my god. Why is this so hard? My hands hurt. My hands physically hurt. Why? Glossier, why have you made them so hard to open? Do you not want me to use it? I don't want to like what? Can't open. My hands hurt so bad from trying to open this thing. Why? I don't want to open. Hold on, let me go see if I can open this. Put it like under warm water or something, and bear with me. So I can't open it. I'm just gonna have to wait till Elliot gets home. Sorry guys. I'll try and show you either later on this vlog or tomorrow's vlog, but look at my hands. I don't know if you could tell how all red they are from trying to open that bloody gloss. Why did the first one open and that one didn't? I don't know. In the meantime, I'm going to put more balm on. Oh my god. Glossier, I just don't want people to get into their products. What the hell? I don't think I'm going to do a red lip of the day today. Because I just haven't had... Oh, that tastes so good. That tastes so good. Just because I really haven't had time. I don't think I'm going to get time. So, instead I'll probably just do an extra one. No, not extra one. Like, I'll just do the one I would have done today on like the 13th of the month instead of the last one being on the 12th. Glam up the fringe a little bit so I don't look so disgusting. Great, and yes, I'm wearing the same hoodie again because it's comfy and I like it. It's got like fur lined. It's perfect. I love it. Oh my gosh. Can you see this? Look at that. That is injury. I don't know if... Let me put the light down. Oh my god. No, that's bad. Look at it. I've injured myself. I've injured myself. God. Oh well. What we do for makeup. Oh, and I picked out a sample because with every order you get a sample. I went for the cloud paints. I was going to go for the perfume, but I actually have one wanting to try the cloud paints and I was like I might as well just use those. So I'll be doing a first impression with those at some point. But yeah, I'm just going to chill now for the rest of my break and I will say hi to you again in a little bit. What am I like? Almost forgot to do the calendar. Right, number 4 is up here. Open it. There you go. Oh, we got a caramel. Have you remembered to play the quiz today? I haven't. I will do that. I actually quite like the caramel ones. I'm not a huge, massive fan of like drippy caramel in chocolate, but this is actually alright because there's not too much caramel in there. Cool. So that's that for day 4. About to pop back to work. Just got my pasta. I didn't have lunch, so I'm having my dinner a little bit earlier at 5:30. Yeah, I'm about to pop back to work. I've just come into the living room just because I'm on my own, so it's just a little bit nicer. It's a bit more comfortable. And I'm just going to catch up on I'm a Celeb. So I finished work, and now just going to chill and watch the final of I'm a Celeb. I haven't actually been watching this series, and I've only just caught up on it today because I completely forgot that we have actual TV. I always forget, because we just don't use it. But we have actual TV, not just streaming. So I was like, I'll just pop something on because I couldn't decide what to watch. And you know when you just want something in the background, you don't really want something that you need to pay attention to. So I put it on the background and I was like, oh, it's actually right. I'll watch the final. So I'm watching that now. Just chilling. Sorry, this Vlogmas is so boring. I'm so sorry. Oh well. I'm going to try and get some baking stuff on Sunday, and hopefully Monday or something I can do something fun. Oh, I have mince pies. I forgot I bought some mince pies today. I might get myself one now. Oh, but I'm underneath my blanket. Do I wait till Elliot comes in? No, I'll have one now. Right, I'm going to make myself a warm mince pie with some whipped cream on top. I think that'll be really nice. Okay, I'll see you in a sec.